क्या सोच रहे हो?
क्या सोच रहे हो, ये बहुत ही किलर सवाल है। और ये जिसकी भी शादी हो चुकी है उसे पता है कि इसका जवाब अगर ये दोगे कुछ नहीं सोच रहा तो उसके पीछे सवाल पे सवाल होते जाएंगे। तो इसका सवाल का जवाब एक तो ये हो सकता है कि कहीं घूमने चलें या फिर शॉपिंग करनी है। तो मोस्टली मैं व्लॉग बनाता हूँ यहाँ की कनाडा के, जिसमें कि कनाडा की माउंटेन्स और वो सब दिखाते हैं आपको। कनाडा का आज मेला दिखाते हैं। कनाडा में जो एडमिंटन सिटी है जहाँ पे हम लोग रहते हैं, इसको सिटी ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स ही बोलते हैं। तो सिटी ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स इसलिए कि यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ, जैसे गर्मियाँ शुरू होते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ मेले चलते ही रहते हैं। तो आज दिखाते हैं आपको यहाँ का एक मेला जिसको कि बोलते हैं एडमिंटन इंटरनेशनल स्ट्रीट फेस्टिवल। तो अब मेरे से पूछा गया है कि क्या सोच रहे हो। वैसे तो मैं जॉब से आया था, बाहर बहुत तेज़ धूप हो रही है आज, पर अगर ये सवाल पूछ लिया गया है कि क्या सोच रहे हो तो इसका जवाब ये नहीं होगा कि कुछ नहीं, इसका जवाब होगा कि घूम चले। और मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि आज बाहर धूप बहुत तेज़ है। ये देखो, ये बाहर का नज़ारा, चलाती धूप, 32 डिग्री टेम्परेचर। देखो भाई, मजाक नहीं कर रहा, टेम्परेचर 29 डिग्री है आज। जैसे दिल्ली में होते हैं ना मई जून की गर्मी, ऐसा लग रहा है अवन के अंदर बैठे हो। तो +29, यकीन नहीं होता है कनाडा है। मतलब कहाँ तो वो -40 और कहाँ +30। वैसे बस हफ्ते 10 दिन रहता है ऐसा टेम्परेचर।
दिल्ली लग रहा है आज तो
खतरनाक गर्मी है भाई। बैठे बैठे पसीने आ रहे हैं। कार है ना भट्टी बन गई है। कनाडा में जब इंडिया की भीड़ को मिस करते हैं तो ऐसे तरह के मेलों में आते हैं। फेस्टिवल जो हो रही है ये विंस्टन चर्चिल स्क्वायर में हो रही है, जो कि सिटी के एकदम सेंटर में है। एकदम सामने उसके टाउन हॉल है, अपोजिट में एक बहुत बड़ी लाइब्रेरी है और एक तरफ सिटी सेंटर मॉल है। तो एकदम मतलब सिटी के सेंटर में ये जगह है, विंस्टन चर्चिल स्क्वायर, जहाँ पे कि एडमिंटन इंटरनेशनल स्ट्रीट फेस्टिवल हो रही है। चलो
I don't fall into any people or children. Start counting on your mark. Get set, go. 1, 2, 3. Louder. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Where am I going? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes. 20, 21. Keep going. It's happening. Whoa. What I got?
This is gonna be incredible. Hello. It's okay. Learning curve is a learning curve, every. Alright, I got an idea. Okay. You hang on to the lead. Give it a bit of slack there. Okay. Put you through first. What's your name? Spencer. I'm Regan. Josh, nice to meet you. You pop through. There we go. Now we'll see what happens. I'll take it. Can I get a photo with your dog?
So sorry, but every single one of those Canadian flags was made in China. Come on! Your name is John from Edmonton, come on! And your name is Ryan, where are you from? Ryan from Edmonton, come on! I love her. That's my mother. Okay, here. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you've all been rather patient. Except for you were peeking the whole time over here. What are you doing? But I no longer the politically correct, the passive-aggressive, or the highly and easily offended Sharon from Canada. But now the very outspoken, the very direct, and yes, I dare say the very liberated, Miss Tallulah. I'm about to reveal myself. Woo! Oh, great, a couple of women are really excited about this. Thank you, ladies. Go sisterhood, yeah. I personally think each and every one of you out there can get way more excited than that, don't you? Yeah. We're going to try it again. I need everyone to give us some clapping and cheering as loud as you can. Come on, people. Yes, that was so much better. Okay, guys, we're going to go for it. I'm going to put some music on here, and I'll erupt out of the bag. You're doing great. What are you looking at? What do you mean, nothing? Whoops. Everyone out there, clappy, clapping makes you happy. This other hand here, put them out like so, and then a circular fashion, just shake that booty. Give them some encouragement, come on. Unreal, you must be loaded. She's hot, look at that. Okay, are you guys married? I'm a warrior. I'm a warrior. Yes. I'm number 3, I'm a peacock. I'm a peacock. Yes, you are. Okay, settle down now, Tyrone, settle down. Tyrone, this is your big moment. I'm going to say Tyrone Q. You look at your gorgeous wife of 11 years, the mother of 2 of your children, and I'm going to ask you to say to her in front of everyone here tonight, I am man, hear me roar, followed by a hooah! Okay, Tyrone? All right. This will be like a renewal of your wedding vows, okay? When he gets it, I want everyone to be going nuts. Not like a symphony, not like a golf tournament. I mean like a rock concert crazy. Tyrone, are you ready? You know what to do? Okay, Tyrone, take it away.
I'm a man, hear me roar! Wow!
Yes! Ready? Okay, grab my hand, go. Oh gosh, thanks for Ryan, get the undercarriage. Ryan, the undercarriage. Yeah, Ryan, 2 hands for that side. 2 hands, no big running. We made it, everyone! You do that, I will pee down your neck. Keep clapping, come on, everyone. You okay? Okay, take a little walk around behind the neck. Slow, darling. Easy this way. This way. Behind the neck. Behind the neck. You're doing great. Right over here. You're doing fabulous. Right over here. Get on the yoga mat. Get up. Get up. Get up. Okay, great. Hands under your armpits. Hurry. Under the armpits. Under the armpits. What the hell are you two doing? Can you go over there? Just pull the second plug on the speaker. Pull the second plug on the speaker. Gentlemen, under your own armpits will be perfectly fine. Okay. It's all right, boys. I know it's been a long 2 COVID winters. You got here in the warmth and people and you wanted to touch a man. Okay? So no shame in it. You go right in between them. Tyrone, go in between them. Tyrone, hands at your sides. That's it. Now I'm going to take my shoes off and I'm going to put 1 foot right there. Are you okay, sweetheart? I'm going to put 1 foot over there. Are you okay? All right. Are you okay? Can you do me a favor? Pick up the fire torches right beside you. That's it. Right, come on. Everybody come. Okay. Off my tits. What are you doing? Nobody move. Gentlemen, line up on the line and hold hands. Real men hold hands. Doesn't mean you're gay, just means you're experimenting, and you know what? You might like it. All right? Hear me out, folks. In all sincerity, hear me out. In a minute, these 4 men are going to take a bow. When they do, I ask that every single person here gives them the biggest clap and cheer of their life. They are the sexiest men here today. Without them, the show would be impossible. My name is Tallulah. This here is my hat. And this here is online tipping. I also am a stand-up comedian. I have Instagram and TikTok handles right there. If you enjoyed what I did tonight, you'll love the content I have on there. Please follow me. I would love you to check me out on there. When these guys took a bow, go nuts. Anyone who gives me 20 or more of a cute souvenir as a token of your generosity, you guys are all getting ones you deserve it. Please don't just turn around and walk away back here, folks. Come up, support street theater. Don't walk away and get COVID. It sucks. All right. Make it big, make it great. Give it up for them! forward and enjoy your night. Look at those people walking away. It's going to suck when they get COVID, isn't it? Come on up, folks. Thank you so much. Online tipping here. Thank you, sweetheart. Take that for your 20. Thank you so much. Thank you, gorgeous. Thank you so much, sweetheart. It's okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate you coming out. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. Thank you so much.
ये पर्पल हो गया एकदम।
इसको शिकंजी बोलते हैं इंडिया में।
हाँ, लेकिन अच्छी है।
We got some heat for you guys tonight. You guys ready for some heat? All right, let's do this.
तेज़ धूप में आए थे और अब 10 बज गए हैं। वापस जा रहे हैं घर स्ट्रीट फेस्टिवल देख के। तो फिर से अगर कोई ये पूछ रहा है घर में, अगर घर में ये पूछा जाए कि क्या सोच रहे हो, घूमना फिरना खाना पीना यही सोचो, ताकि घर में भी सब खुश, तुम भी खुश और वीकेंड आराम से मिले। तुम क्यों नहीं खुश हो? तो सिनेमन डोनट्स मिले। ओके, चलो भाई, सी इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग। बाय नाउ। मैं बाय तो करो, ये तुम बाय तो करो। बाय।